Hi guys, it's me, Shawna D, and I am here to share a fall-inspired makeup tutorial sponsored by Wet n Wild. So if you've never heard of Wet n Wild, where have you been living? Under a rock? Because seriously, Wet n Wild is one of those like hidden gems in the drugstore. If you follow my Instagram stories, you already know that I love their Photofocus foundation. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, please. Because I love Wet n Wild. So I've been using Wet n Wild since I was like in junior high school. I think maybe elementary school. I wasn't supposed to be wearing makeup, but you know. But my favorite lip gloss was this like pinky corally color from Wet n Wild years and years ago, and if they still carried it, I would still wear it. It was that good. But now my favorites from them are their highlighters. I have their highlighters not only in my pro kit, but in my own personal beauty kit. They give the most beautiful glow. So I have a couple of those I'm going to show you in this video, and I think you're going to be really excited when you see me put them on because they're insane. They're so gorgeous and it's so affordable. You can find Wet n Wild, you can find it at Ulta, of course, but you can also find it at the drugstore. You can find it at some of the bigger grocery store retailers as well. So I'll also put a link in the video and in my description so you can save a little bit of money if you're gonna go get a couple of the things that I'm wearing, which I'm in love with. Of course, the highlighters, you already know that. But the eyeshadow palette, which is so beautiful, you're gonna see how I apply these colors, and I'm really kind of stoked about that. And this lip color, I'm really surprised by because I don't normally wear dark lipstick. I wear red, which is like bright, or I wear nude. Those are kind of my go-tos, but this is really pretty for fall. I'm kind of feeling the vampy vibe. So anyways, if you want to learn how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes, and now I'm going to take this lighter color and go all over my eyelids, all the way up to my brow. Then I'm going to take the transition shade and a nice fluffy brush and just kind of go in there and start sculpting out my eyes. I always do this first. I like this step first because then I can go in and add the punches of color later on. This gives me a nice guideline. So now I'm taking this hot pink on a densely packed brush and just kind of pressing it and then smoothing it over my eyes. This color is so pretty. The next color that I go in and grab is right next to it. It's a little bit more of like a fuchsia color, and oh boy, the two of these together are beautiful. This one has a whole different kind of holographic almost shimmer to it. It's so pretty. It really kind of deepens it up. And then I go in with a pencil brush and I grab some of the purple, and here I am just really kind of shaping out my eyes now, and you can start to see the colors really blend together and deepen up on both sides. And then once I've done that, I go in and I grab some of this darker, almost black. It's like a soft black color because that's where my eyeliner is going to go. So I always like to go in and really deepen up that area before I do any kind of eyeliner on my eyes. And yeah, it just really smokes it out. It looks so pretty together. So I'm going back in, just adding some more of that transition shade to kind of blend everything together. I take a little bit of the warm brown and deepen up my eyes, and it makes a really nice blend together. And then I grab some of this gold. This gold is insanely gorgeous. I could see just wearing this all over your eyelid and just being like, wow, insane beautiful. You can see there's a little bit of fallout, but I'm going to go back and clean that up. Here I'm using a little bit of the new Photofocus ROSE 3-in-1 primer water. I'm spraying that on the blender brush and then getting my foundation, which is the Photofocus foundation. You all know I love that one. And I'm going to just blend it out all over my skin and go back over areas with a little extra where I feel like I needed maybe a little extra coverage. And yeah, so there, you can see it. and you can just see how much more coverage it gives with the second layer, which is really, really nice. I love that about this foundation, and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, which is really great. So blending, 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 blending. Blend is your friend. You know the little saying. I'm going to take the other side of the sponge now, and I am blending out my concealer under my eyes so I can just kind of clean up everything under there and make it all look fresh and smooth. A little extra there. Wherever you need it, just add a little bit of concealer. Don't go crazy. Okay, I've powdered and bronzed, and now I'm using this new metallic liquid liner. It is got like, I don't know, silver metallic or black metallic in it. The color is called Cosmic Black, and it's got a really small brush on it. The formula is a little thick, so you need to be a little bit careful. It's probably a little different than what you're used to. I expected it to be more liquidy, but it's not. It's almost kind of a cross between a liquid and a cream. But the nice thing is you can get a really sharp wing with it. So just practice with that one. Then I'm taking this violet color and kind of going underneath my eyes and tying in all the colors together. This palette is really pretty. It's got warm and cool, which I absolutely love. That's my favorite thing, warm and cool together. So here we are. I'm gonna use a little bit, I've already put on my lashes. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara just to blend my natural lashes with the false lashes. You know I love big lashes, so there you go. And this highlighter, oh my goodness. This highlighter is everything. It's called Blossom Glow.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yes, so fabulous. And then the next one I'm going to take is the loose Megaglo highlighter, and I am so lit, and man, this is the bomb.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ooh, wait.
So I finish off this look with this lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, and it's got a high shine to it, and it's called Wine is the Answer. So pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this fall inspired look, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. Girl. Ooh.